Jillian Ward is the newest star to join the GMA Prime series, Mga Batang Riles. According to Aubrey Carample's report in 24 na oras, Thursday, the Kapuso star of the new gen has started taping for the show and she has been enjoying working with her co-stars Miguel Tan Felix, Kokoy De Santos, Rahil Bayria, Anton Vinzon, and Bruce Rowland. Kahit super professional sila, hindi pa rin nila nakakalimutan to have fun, kumbaga very lighthearted po yung set nila so feeling ko mae-enjoy ko to, said Jillian. Her co-stars are just as excited to work with her, including Rahil who previously worked with Jillian in Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Lahat po kami excited kasi ang dami naming scenes, said Rahil. Pero ang tanong sino ang pinaka-excited? Quip Miguel. Malamang ako, replied Rahil. In the series, Jillian plays the character of lady who works in a convent. Though her character will get off on the wrong foot with Rahiel's character, Sig, she will turn to the Riles boys for help in looking for her missing sibling. Medyo mataray siya kay Sig. Parang naiinis siya kapag nagpapakyut sa kanya si Sig, said Jillian of her character. The Sparkle star is also eager to do action scenes, adding that she made sure to stay physically active even while she had been on a break from work. Gusto ko talagang matry mag-action. Actually po nung nagpapahinga po ako nung hindi ako nagtapping, talagang tumatakbo ako, ganyan, and nag-workout talaga ako para ma-feel ko na, ay medyo action star ako. Magpapaturo ako sa mga batang Riles dahil sila naman talaga ang pro sa ganyan, she said. Miguel, for his part, added that those who joined the show should experience and enjoy doing action scenes. Mga Batang Riles, airs weekdays at 8:50 PM on GMA Prime after Lolong, Pangil ng Maynila.